See you, yeah? I'm gonna fuck you up. You're gonna come up here like a rat. I'm gonna fuck you up, blood. Something fresh.
Hello, welcome back to Two Spanners. Today we're just going to do a little bit of work on the Mini. Leaky rocker cover gasket. If you watched any of the previous videos, something we've been needing to do for a little while. Finally got hold of one. Did go the whole hog and pay the well over £300 for a genuine one. Just got a cheap one, but we'll check all that out in a minute. I've also got a couple of other little bits, like I've been borrowing a friend's ultra gauge for longer than I care to admit, if I'm honest, bless him, and he's just about to get his car back on the road, which hopefully we will feature at some point, but I won't give you any spoilers at the minute. So I need to give that gauge back to him, and I've finally bought my own ultra gauge, so I'm going to unbox that today and hope to get that chucked on. A couple of little bits of the interior, and obviously this rocker cover. So we're just going to crack on. Hope you enjoy the video. I'm not really going to do like a tutorial format, if I'm honest. I'm just going to kind of do it and keep you posted. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, appreciate the support. Cheers. Right boys, just a quick blast over the engine bay before I get cracking. I'll set the camera up still. So as you can see, it should be a fairly simple job. Most rocker covers are, to be fair. Just make sure you disconnect cam sensor and any of these cables that are cable tied using the little cable tie clips. This one's actually come off, so I'll pull that off, but usually you would probably cut the cable tie off and transfer any of these over to your new rocker cover, because obviously it helps keep your engine bay nice and tidy. Yeah, other than that, you know, disconnect your breather hoses and bits and bobs as well. Nice and easy for me, especially because I've got it set up the way I've got it set up, but again, shouldn't be too difficult a job. I'm just going to crack on with it, time lapse it if I get enough footage to time lapse it, and then I'll catch up with you when it's sorted, let you know if I had any issues.
See you, yeah? I'm gonna fuck you up. You're gonna come up here like a rat. I'm gonna fuck you up, blood. Something fresh.
Right, so we've just got the rocker cover off. It's quite nice and clean under here, to be fair, as you can see. It is in fairly good shape. It's quite recently had a timing chain as well. Probably about 18 months ago, something like that. When a new rocker cover gasket was put in, but not a new rocker cover. And I think this original rocker's now split. So yeah, fresh rocker cover. Just going to give it all a clean up first, and I'll come back. Just sort of quickly show you when you've got, you know, different size bits and bolts and that. Obviously, when you haven't got too many bolts like this, it's usually not too hard to remember where they go. But just a little tip: sometimes it's nice to lay them out how they go on the rocker cover itself. Another quick one I'll just show you. As you can see here, quite clearly. I mean, these engines breathe quite heavy anyway, so there is a lot of condensation floating about and being caught in the catch cans. But you know, because the PCV system wasn't breathing correctly, because of the leaks that it had, it's resulted in extra emulsified oil under the rocker cover. So I'd be glad to get rid of all of that. I'm going to crack on, get it all cleaned up now, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Right, as you can see, managed to clean up the edges really nice. It's in good shape, so it wasn't too difficult to clean it up. Had a quick inspection of the cams and that, just to make sure there's no major premature wear or anything. It all looks, you know, spot on for the age and mileage of the car. So I'm just going to grab another rag, clean these few centre bits here that go around where the spark plugs are, get it all cleaned up. We'll pop the new rocker cover on, and yeah, we should be good to go. I'll probably get the camera going again when I'm putting the rocker cover back on. I'll quickly time lapse it, and then I'll catch up with you when it's finished.
Something fresh.
Right, welcome back. I didn't film the rest of all putting it back together because it's basically what you've seen already in reverse. Yeah, fresh rocker cover on there. At some point I might transfer the badge over just so it looks a little bit nicer, and the genuine one is a little bit prettier. I did start it up, run it for a few minutes and get it nice and warm. Seems to be all good, can't see any leaks. Look down the back there, all looks okay. No signs of any leakage. So I'm happy with that. It does seem to idle a little better as well, which is probably something to do with the PCV system not leaking anymore. But I'm quite happy with that. Hope you've enjoyed today. You know, quick little video. If you have any questions, like I say, I didn't really do it as a tutorial or anything. Just drop a comment down below or contact us on one of the other social medias. There might be a couple of little interior bits bolted onto the end of this video, but I'm still haven't quite made up my mind yet whether or not I'm going to be able to get that done today. So just in case, please like and sub. We appreciate all the support, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.